Spirit Tower information, Kilo 1954 Zulu, wind 310 at 5, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 10, dew point -4, altimeter 3016. Visual approach, runway 26 left in use. Landing and departing, runway 26 left and runway 26 right.
Spirit Tower, 30 Tango Lima, establishing altitude left into full stop activity.
30 Tango Lima, Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Wind is 060 at 6, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left clear to land, please listen.
Rock 30 Tango Lima, contact ground 121.7. Have a great flight. Great day.
For 1217, appreciate your help. Have a great day. Great day.
Spirit Tower, 531 is about 9 miles to the east. Be full stop with Kilo.
531 Spirit Tower, good afternoon. You are number 2 following that Cessna just inside of Eves, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Roger, be clear to land. Number 2, looking for traffic on 26 left on 531.
Flight 531, right turn there at Alpha 6, then taxi via Alpha to Millionaire with me. Have a great day.
Roger, be Alpha 6, on a Millionaire, be Alpha with 531, appreciate it.
Delta's visual 8 right.
507 Papa Delta, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
67 Lima Delta, we're extending our upwind, you'll call our cross.
No, that was for another aircraft. November 507 Papa Delta, did you copy your landing clearance, sir?
Sir, I thought we read it back to you. Clear to land 8 right, 7 Papa Delta.
7 Papa Delta, yeah, you might have been stepped on. Thank you. For 7 Papa Delta, turn left at your discretion, then contact ground point 7.
Spirit Tower, 324 Juliet Papa's holding short of runway 8 right, ready to go.
324 Juliet Papa, Spirit Tower, roger. Fly runway heading, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, clear for takeoff, runway heading, 324 Juliet Papa.
Wind, call base.
4 Juliet Papa, contact St. Louis departure, have a good flight.
Order departure, 324 Juliet Papa, you have a good one.
Spirit Tower, crew check 279 on the R9.
Foxtrot, clear for 124 Alpha.
1079, Spirit Tower, make, or runway 8 right, you're clear to land.
Right, clear to land. Crew check 279. Spirit Tower, Citation 507 Papa Delta's on Alpha, a little short of 8 right, ready in.
507 Papa Delta, Spirit Tower, hold short of runway 8 right.
Short 8 right, check over there.
07 Papa Delta, fly runway heading, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear to get the stuff Papa Delta.
Papa Delta on course is approved. Did you want flight following?
No, we don't. That's fine. 7 Papa Delta, thanks.
7 Papa Delta, roger. Just remain outside the Bravo.
Tower Commerce Bank 1, visual, runway 8 right.
Commerce Bank 1, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Land 8 right, Commerce Bank 1.
Clear track 237, you can fly westbound, and I'll point that traffic out that you're following. Bank 1, turn left at your discretion, then contact ground point 7.
Discretion, ground point 7,
237, runway 8 right, clear to land.
8 right, clear to land, crew track 237.
Keep your speed up, runway 8 right, clear to land number 2.
Speed up, clear to land number 2, 8 right, crew check 146.
cruise activity 5, localizer 8 right.
255 Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Runway 8 right, clear to land, cruise activity 5.
Turn left at Alpha 6 and contact ground point 7.
Alpha 6, contact ground point 7.
1, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
150, left 8 right.
One contact, St. Louis departure, have a good flight.
Departure, Commerce Bank 1.
Spirit Tower, good afternoon, gas I 393, visual 8 right.
393 Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, you're clear to land, slow it up for me if you would please.
Okay, clear to land, we'll slow it down, gas I 393.
At 393, turn left at Alpha 5, then contact ground point 7.
Alpha 5 over to ground point 7, gas I 393.